This kind of joke koging. Gulid yo. Gulid man ka. Slime. How are you, Slime? I miss you so much, even though I know you. Tambal sa tambal. Sad kung buang ka lagi sad. Kani mumo. Masasad ka ni mumo. What size feet? Yeah, my feet? It's feet like a dwarf. You saw dwarf? When you saw dwarf, that's my feet. What? Boom. Sim boom boom sim boom boom. What was that for? Yeah, when you saw dwarf, then you saw the feet of the dwarf. That's my feet. That's me. Because I'm dwarf. Mm. And I have power too. If I say, I I log. What the fuck I log? I'm lagging too much. Oh, yamete kudasai. Nobody special. Like us lang take just a couple more mango seasons. No. Yeah, here in Philippines right now is seasons of a mango. You want some? I'll give you. Thank you, Mike. Cherry. What? Cherry. Oh. Yeah. Yes, I'm saying yes. I said yes. Oh. What the fuck? What's wrong with you? You motherfucker. Fuck. Thank you, Mikey. Hi, Bigo. Please, Bigo. Don't be salty to me. Be good to Cherry. If we are friends, remember? Pilok, hello. Nana po na siya, magluulot. Tapos yung gani ka, dayon na ay nagstorya. Tinod, Sige naman ka, oy. Thank you, Mikey. Dahan ba kay kagkan ba at siya luloy? Kung gusto gid ka, buhata. Nagadugi pa man. Si dugayan. Si dugayan nimo. Ha? Mike, you're not lucky, Mike. You're bakla. You're bakla. See? It's salty. Anong year mo na, Day? Year ko, yung kausap ko. Gago ba ako? Ano ako? 2003. 2003. Why? Ba't mo natanong? Ah, 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 ah. Oh my God. My brother is dumbling me like that is lucky. Why you not lucky? Wow! Yes. Naa. Ay, balik ganing ice, mang. Tungutan ako sa madong. Thank you, Mikey.
Ang. Bigyan kami nga.
5 daw, 5.
Lima. Bigyan natin.
Ibagya. Saan naman to siya? Nawala. Nobody knows me like you.
Ilan na tayo?
Kuan, tag 5. 5? Woo! Raulo. Thank you. Ay, mama, bisong. Bisong na.
May game nila tayo.
Oh, wala na ni sigarilyo yan. Puro tulad pa ako kumpra si mama.
Ilan na nila tayo?
20 kanya. Kuan ko kung gamay. Noya. Kuan. Pag na.
Mana? Tara. Gabi yan naman dito.
Wala nang halaga ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Woo! Ala! Thank you. Thank you, Mikey. Thank you. Ano pangalan na ito? Krusty the Clown. The Clown. Hello, Liu. Halamlog. Baliw. No, I'm not baliw. I'm normal. I'm normal. I'm not baliw. I'm lag. Hi, why are you not answering me? Oh my gosh.